Welcome to your new favorite storage solution with the pamo industrial pipe clothing rack featuring a sturdy shelf and a 170-pound capacity. This freestanding rack is crafted from high-quality white metal iron pipe, combining durability with modern industrial style. Perfect for organizing your wardrobe or creating a walk-in closet vibe, it offers ample space for hanging clothes and storing accessories on the built-in shelf. Its minimalist design complements any room, adding both function and aesthetic appeal. Easy to assemble and built to last, this garment rack keeps your clothes accessible and your space tidy. Whether for daily use or seasonal storage, it adapts to your needs effortlessly. Elevate your closet organization with this stylish and practical industrial clothing rack. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.